But let's get you details really about this political showdown as well that played out over the weekend. The Congress led this massive Padayatra, a protest over the Mekedatu issue, which remains of course a bone of contention between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. But there's a COVID curfew that's in place right now in the state. So this particular protest was in complete violation of that. And despite several warnings from the government, the Congress went ahead with this protest, leading again to a political flashpoint.
Without water, there is no life. This is for our Bangalore, this is for the farmers of Karnataka.
Politics, face-off, and now a Padyatra Nataka. Brazen defiance of weekend curfew orders as COVID cases skyrocket. A massive political war has erupted over the Mekedatu Dam row. Led by Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Shivakumar and Leader of Opposition Siddaramaiah. The Congress in Karnataka kick-started its 10-day-long Padyatra from Mekedatu to Bengaluru, aggressively pushing the long-standing demand of implementing the Mekedatu project across the Kaveri River.
Without water, there is no life. This is for our Bangalore, this is for the farmers of Karnataka. Karnataka, two political party, they want to kill this project, they want to kill the people of Karnataka. Bangalore is not a city in India, it is a city of the world.
The COVID-timed Padyatra deemed politically motivated by Chief Minister Bommai.
ಸಮ್ಮಿಶ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ನೀರಾವರಿ ಸಚಿವರಿದ್ದರು. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹುತೇಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರು
The Padyatra with the theme Namma Neeru Namma Hakku, which means our water, our right, began at the Sangama, the confluence of Kaveri and Arkavati rivers, covering a distance of over 100 kilometers.
The Congress over here is starting this in order to put pressure on the government, stating that the government has not been putting pressure on the central government to go ahead with this. The centre and the state, in fact, Chief Minister Bommai has very clearly stated that what the Congress is doing over here is nothing but political.
When questioned over the need to organize a Padyatra at a time when Karnataka witnesses an unprecedented COVID spike, Shivakumar made a bizarre claim.
They are just creating, they want the number, they are hiking the number, no COVID here. Simply they are hiking the number. Who are coming, they are just harassing people. They are collecting more than 3,000 rupees per visitor who is entering Karnataka. This is a curfew, this is not a COVID curfew. This is a BJP curfew.
The Congress has been demanding that the Bommai government implement the Mekedatu Reservoir project to ensure water for Bengaluru residents. With large number of people gathering and violating all COVID protocols, all eyes are on the Bommai government on the action taken against these violations. With Nolan Pinto from Mekedatu, Bureau Report, India Today.